Alrighty, mighty dighty. I'm going to work in Bergen. And I have to go to my girlfriend first and get some food. Had breakfast. Bye. I'm on my way to the airport, but I dropped by the printing company to pick up the posters for the show. 18th of March, Bysen, Trondheim. Be there if you're close. Now I have to check the car for damages, that there is no more damages on the car than what they have printed on this paper, so I don't have to pay millions for a new car. I am finished with the show. Sadly, I could not film this. It was a great show, but great audience. No video. Park the car in the parking house. Gonna walk out in the rain and get to the hotel. As I said, lovely. It's always raining in Bergen. Always. New day, going home. Gonna have breakfast first. Closing in on the airport, we are just on schedule, and I found a place to fly my drone. It wasn't raining, now it's raining again, but it's Bergen. I've been home, I've changed my clothes. Now I'm gonna go meet Melanie and her dad at IKEA. We're gonna have some food there, and then we are going to train. Ah! Still strong wind here. We suddenly ran out of time because pool is closing in less than an hour. We have to hurry up. Rounding up for tonight. It's late. I went to my grandmother, had some cake. The rest of the family, and now it's night.